The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, MAAUN Maradi, has condoled with the husband and parents of a former student of the university, Mrs. Rose Busari, who passed away on Saturday, the 11th of February 2023 at the Referral Hospital, Maradi, after a protracted illness. The deceased was the wife of the Pastor Terra Busari, a missionary pastor with the Assemblies of God Mission Niger Republic Maradi region. The condolence message was contained in a statement by the president of MAAUN Maradi, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, a copy of which was made available to newsmen in Kano on Wednesday. The management of MAAUN described the death of Miss Rose as a great loss not only to her beloved husband, parents and relatives, but to the entire staff and students of her alma mater. Professor Gwarzo, who is also the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, described the late Miss Rose Busari as a humble student who had respect for all the people she came across. On behalf of the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, I wish to extend our condolence to her husband, Pastor Terra Busari, parents, relatives and friends of the deceased. The management of the university wishes to also commiserate with the Assemblies of God Mission Niger Republic Maradi region over the demise of the gentlewoman, Professor Gwarzo said. He prayed that the deceased husband and parents, as well as her relatives, will have the emotional courage to bear the irreplaceable loss.